folks. It's a very, very special box break today. I'm in Brooklyn, New York, and according to Google Maps, this is 234 36th Street in Brooklyn. And up until 1994, this was the corporate headquarters for Topps, until they moved over there across the river. I figured I'd come here because it is the 60th anniversary of Topps, to come to the building where the 52 mantle was actually printed, and I'm going to bust this box of this HTA box of 2011 Topps baseball. Alright, what I'm doing is probably trespassing, but I don't care. We're in the basement. Apparently there's a sign, you can't see it right there because of the dim light, that says U.S. government property. Wow. Wonder if I can get upstairs. There's an old cabinet of some sort. Looks like a bunch of homeless people live down here now. But at least they have those energy saving lights. Let's see what's over here. Okay. Alright, I think I just woke up a homeless dude. I'm getting out of here. Alright, now we're on the ground floor. Looks like these gates are locked. Alright, let's see what's inside. It just looks like an empty factory. Does not look like there's any trace of there ever having been a bubblegum / trading card manufacturer here. Kinda sucks. Of course, they did leave about 15 some odd number years ago. Nope. Nothing here. Alright folks, I've come back into my car. It's just too fucking cold to do a box break outside, and I don't want to get busted for trespassing because I heard some people in the in that building, but there's no trace at all of there ever being a baseball card company there. So I'm going to bust this from the comfort of my car. 2011 Topps, you get one autograph and two quote-unquote relics. And we all know one of them is not really a relic, but Topps fraudulently calls them a relic anyway. I think you know what I'm talking about. This first pack I got Steven Strasburg, Albert Pujols, Diamond Giveaway, a Manram, a Robbie Alomar, which I think I already have, Larkin and Jeter, Mark Reynolds. I guess that celebrates all his strikeouts. Victor Martinez mini. I think this is an original back of Bo Jackson on a team card. A Bob Feller card that never was, which I think I already have. And a bunch of other base cards. Roy Halladay, Hallajoe, and Matt Garza. There's pack number 1. Pack number 2. You get 10 packs, 50 cards in a pack. I paid $109 for this box at the Atlanta card show. I have to actually buy my own wax now because those I don't know. I think I did something to piss off Topps. Jeez, I wonder why. Got a Jeremy Bonderman gold card, number to 2011. A diamond giveaway. Oh yeah. Halla Diamond Joe. Hell yeah. A Mickey Mantle reprint, which was made right there. Oh, not the reprint, but the real card. Ryan Braun and Ike Davis. It's a pretty unusual combination. Michael Young. Carlos Santana. A Hank Greenberg on a 34 Gaudy. Doesn't Upper Deck still own the name Gaudy? Because it does say Gaudy on the back. The lovely 89 Bowman set. And a bunch more base cards. And Chapman rookie. Felix Hernandez. Alright. Alright, pack 3. I'm not even looking at these cards carefully, so I may pass over one of those twinks. And if I do get a twink, I'm hoping I actually pull one of those stupid things. So Reggie Jackson giveaway. Josh Willingham diamond thingy. I think I already have. A Robinson and Robinson. It's a sweet card if you're an O's fan. Ricky Henderson and Desmond Jenkins. Shepard Jones. Johan Santana. Duke Snyder. Okay, I got my first big mojo hit. And it's a Chris Coughlin sticker autograph. Wow. Yeah, this was worth $40 more for the jumbo box, right? Chris Coughlin on a sticker autograph. And the rest of my base cards are fine. I got a Buster Posey Topps Town. Do kids actually use that website? Just wondering. You know, I'm not a kid anymore. I'm a kid at heart, but never actually been on that Topps Town website. Another diamond giveaway. A Joey Votto diamond parallel. A Mr. May Dave Winfield reprint. Takahashi and Uehara. Manram. Halliday. A Stan Musial lost card. And I got my second big mojo hit. A Carlos Beltran bat card. Wow. Oh yeah, it was really worth spending the extra $40 to upgrade on a jumbo box. Because you get 3 hits in a box, even though they're all junk. Alright, pack number 5. Mike Stanton gold card, number 2011. Another diamond giveaway. Jose Guillen, Gaylord Perry reprint. God, I think I've got like 5 of these now. Pujols and Cabrera. I could literally bip somebody with that card with an insert. Justin Upton, David Price, a Rogers Hornsby reprint, and a lot of base cards. And Vladimir Guerrero. Alright, so that's the first half of this box. Let's see what I get in the other half. Aaron Hill gold card. Another diamond giveaway code. Alex Gonzalez. 52 Jackie Robinson. Josh Hamilton and Vladimir Guerrero. Felix Hernandez. Pee Wee Reese. A Babe Ruth Sporting News reprint. And base. And a Man Ram, Topstown. It's good that you only get one Topstown in a jumbo back, as opposed to like maybe 4 of them. That would kind of suck. Alright, code card. Got a Hank Greenberg legend thingy, which I still think is pretty stupid. Jake Westerbrook. A Justin Verlander reprint. Justin Upton and Mike Stanton. Buster Posey. Torrey Hunter. And a Roy Campanella on a 54. And there's the Mickey Mantle base card. And Ichiro. Alright. Alright, so I pulled the Hank Greenberg, and I don't like this whole concept. If you're going to put the old guys, the retired players, and the legends in the base set, then put them in the base set. Don't gimmick them up like that. If you're going to make them an insert, make them an insert. It's just, don't fuck around with the integrity of the base set. That's what I say. Of course, what do I know? I'm only a collector of these damn things. Bobby Jenks gold. Diamond giveaway. Han Ram. Piazza reprint. David Price and Matt Garza. Babe Ruth. Vladimir Guerrero. Honus Wagner on a 1903 Bryce Williams. And the 1951 top set. And the rest of it is base. Alright, so let's see what else I get here. Alright. Another diamond giveaway. Josh Thole, or Thole, or whoever. Jim Palmer reprint. Lefty and Captain Cheeseburger. David Wright. Aroldis Chapman. A Stan Musial on a 56 design. And my third Big Mojo hit, which is not really a Big Mojo hit at all, is an Adrian Gonzalez leather thingy that nobody actually likes. So the less said, the better, right? And Brett Wallace. Alright, I got, let's see, 1 pack left. A Freddie Sanchez gold. Diamond giveaway. Ian Stewart diamond. A Nolan Ryan 71 reprint. Harmon Killebrew Jim Thome. Derek Jeter. Mike Stanton mini.